to Airsoft Guys, where safety is our #1 priority.
Hey guys, we're the Airsoft Guys.
I'm first co-editor and the Salt Dude.
I'm Game Changer, the editor, and the sniper.
I'm Bub, not Bob, and I'm the breacher.
Okay, and we're a few friends that met up a few months ago. Come to find out, we all like Airsoft, so we just thought, hey, why not start a YouTube channel? And boom, now we got some YouTube channel.
On this YouTube channel, we're going to be doing airsoft battles, but since we live in the burning hot desert, we can't be out there all the time. So we're also going to be doing some gun reviews, how we like them, what to get, what not to get, gear reviews, stuff like that.
For this week, please like and subscribe, tell your friends, and here are some bloopers from trying to make this video.
Hey guys, we're the Airsoft Guys. Hey guys, we're the Airsoft. Hey guys, we're the Airsoft Guys.
I'm first the co-editor and the Assault Dude.
I'm Malachi. No one.
For this week, please like and subscribe, tell your friends. That is if you were happy. That's it for this week. Please like and subscribe, tell your friends. That's it for this week. Please like and subscribe and tell your friends.
I was thanking us.